green smoothie for breakfast in the morning. So if you wake up in the morning and you feel like you want to make some smoothie, then this come in really handy for you. Alright? Yeah. Me and camera, that looking good. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the show. Alright, this is a collaboration between me and Jamaica Recipe Queen. Alright, so I'm just doing a collaboration at the moment. So guys, this is gonna be something new from Chef Ricardo this morning. Alright? Yeah. A collaboration with me and Jamaica Recipe Queen. Alright, so it's gonna be a collaboration between me and Jamaica Recipe Queen. Alright, now just take the time to say good morning to every one of you guys. This is just gonna be a simple collaboration between me and Jamaica Recipe Queen. Yeah, I'm supposed to do this video over the last couple of days. It's going to be a very quick video. I'm not going to be long with this video. Alright, so please stay tuned in and watch this an amazing video this morning from Chef Ricardo. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop some spinach in the blender. If you have one like this at home, alright? You just want to put some spinach, a couple handful of spinach, so roughly about 2 handfuls of that. Spinach is very good for you. I would encourage you guys to try spinach at home, alright? Lots of spinach, as you can see for yourself, in the blender. And you can have this in the morning for breakfast, alright? It's going to be a beautiful one. Now, secondly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some strawberry. I got 2 large strawberry, which I want to put also inside of it. As you can see for yourself, that is strawberry. And also we got some blueberry. Alright, and all of these is just healthy for you. Alright, fantastic and amazing. So, as you can see for yourself, that's the blueberry. Now, that's the raspberry, sorry guys. So this is the blueberry now. I'm going to put some blueberry inside of it, just like that. Alright. So, yeah. So this is a raspberry. I'm putting inside of it just like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a finger of banana. Alright, 1 finger is of ripe banana. And as I said, it is just a collaboration between me and Jamaica Recipe Queen. Alright, so shout out to Jamaica Recipe Queen. Yeah. So 1 finger of ripe banana. Alright, beautiful. The link is in the description box, guys. Alright, fantastic and amazing. Then what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna put a piece of a ginger in it. Alright, we're not gonna use too much ginger. And also roughly about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Alright, not too much. Yeah. So as I said, it is a collaboration between me and Jamaica Recipe Queen. And trust me, you can have this in the morning for breakfast, guys. 100%. Trust me, guys. As you can see it for yourself, that is lovely and also delicious. And no, the fruits is a little bit sweet. But we're just gonna jump in it with a little bit of honey. Roughly about a teaspoon of honey. Alright? And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon powder inside of it. Cinnamon is very, very, very good for you guys, alright? So, yeah. Alright, so that's it so far. We got the cinnamon, we got the blueberry, we got the raspberry, and we got spinach, and we got ripe banana, and we have some honey. Alright, so that looks amazing, fantastic, and also delicious. Alright, that's exactly where we are at the moment. So, yeah. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put a few cashew inside of it, not much. Just a few cashew, just to blend inside of it, a little bit of nuts. It's very good for you sometimes, not all the time. But if you're allergic to nuts, you can't have it. Alright guys? So yeah, please bear with Chef Ricardo right there. Alright? Yeah. If you're allergic to nuts, you cannot have it. And that looking so lovely. Now what we're gonna do, you don't have to use water. You can use whatever you like to use. You can use almond milk, you can use pineapple juice, whatever you like. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of a liquid in it. Alright, some water. You can put some ice if you like. If you want to get it cold, but the time is a little bit cold, so you don't need to do that. Alright, so I just put a little bit of water in it. That's gonna cover it. It's a simple one this morning, guys, and you can do this at home. Alright, and that is lovely. Look at that. A lot of spinach, which is good for you. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're going to blend this for a few minutes. Alright, so let's blend this now, guys. It's gonna be fantastic, trust me. Good morning, Gracie World. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Alright. So we got spinach, all of the fruits in the bottom. Beautiful, lovely, and delicious. Alright. So we're gonna blend this now for a few minutes. Alright. Let's make a little bit of a noise. It's gonna be a little bit of noise, alright? Yeah. Nice one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up it back. Cause you see it's run down a little bit. Alright, so we got some more space inside of it, alright? So what we're gonna do now, is get the oats. Alright, we're gonna put some oats in it. We're gonna put a little bit of oats inside of it, alright? So as you see, just blend it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of oats. 1, 2 tablespoons of oats in it, alright? 100%. You're good to go. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to the blending and we're gonna blend this up. So just finished blend it. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take a very good look at it now. All right, yeah. So just finish blend it. All right, guys, let's get the cup and take a good look. All right, yeah, lovely. All right, look at this, beautiful, nice, lovely, and also delicious. All right, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Now, if you want to do a collaboration with Chef Ricardo, please let me know and we can do a collaboration. All right. As I said, this one is for me and Jamaica Recipe Queen. We're doing a collaboration together. Trust me, this is fantastic and amazing, guys. 100%. All right. So if you like this video, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes coming and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as you can see, fantastic and an amazing juice right here. All right. That is just beautiful, guys. That is beautiful. The flavor and the texture, everything is just amazing. All right. 100%. So as you can see it for yourself, that is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. All right, guys. So I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys who are watching this video this morning. It's a simple green smoothie, you know what I mean, with a lot of spinach and a lot of fruits, which is also healthy and good for you. All right. So I just want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys, and I really appreciate it. It's not a long video this morning. It's a very quick, short video. So shout out to every one of you guys who take the time to come in and share some love. We will be coming with another video. Yeah, with more recipes and more ideas like these. All right, guys. I just want to say thank you so much, and I really appreciate it 100%. And I will definitely come with more video on my Instagram, Facebook. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Stay tuned in, and we will definitely come with more video and more ideas for you. All right, I really appreciate it 100%. And as you can see it for yourself, beautiful one from Chef Ricardo this morning.